Hello stunning fan, Michele here. We're glad you stopped by. In today's video, we're making an R2D2 cake stand for little Theo's Star Wars themed first birthday party. For the top of the cake stand, we found a plastic fake crystal bowl at the Dollar Tree. It was the perfect size and shape, but unfortunately it had all these angles of the fake crystal. As a solution, we decided to paper mache over all the angles using watered down glue and an old magazine. We are a lifestyle channel that features a variety of content from cooking, unboxing videos, to anything that can be a DIY style project. And we would really love it if you would like and subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified the next time that we decide to share one of our projects. Once the paper mache was dry, we painted the entire bowl white. Once the white paint was dried, we painted over it with some silver acrylic paint. While the silver paint was drying, we cut out all of R2D2's mechanical accents from sheets of blue, red, and white paper. Then, once again, we paper mached the pieces onto the bowl in their appropriate positions. While the glue was drying, we stepped out into the shop and found scraps of wood that we could cut down for R2D2's legs. These would serve as the sides of the cake stand. After the glue dried, we noticed some of the paper was still a little loose, so we decided to apply a second coat of glue. In hindsight, it would have looked better without that last coat, because some of the glue pooled and caused a clouded discolorization. It was still cute, but it would have looked much better without that last coat. We found some 12-inch thin wood rounds at the Dollar Tree in the craft section that were the perfect size to use as the cake stand tiers. So we purchased them and we painted them white to match the rest of R2D2's body. We had a few more finishing touches to add to the top of R2D2. We painted a clown's nose that we cut in half black and a black dot in the inside of a soda bottle cap to add the finishing touches to R2D2's mechanical accents. Then we simply hot glued them on. Then it was time to give the stand a test assembly to be sure that it could withstand the weight of the cupcakes and little Theo's smash cake. And it worked. The entire party was a DIY project, but due to a time crunch and a shortage of hands, we were not able to video everything, but we would like to show you some of the cute homemade Star Wars decorations that Theo's mommy worked very hard on to make his first birthday a very special one. Again, thanks for stopping by and have an amazing day.